Welcome to our tutorial on marking your listing as pending in Facebook Marketplace on your PC. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Start by accessing Facebook Marketplace on your PC by going to your feed and clicking on Marketplace. 2. Click on your account to access your account settings on Facebook. 3. Select your listings to view all the items you have listed for sale on Facebook Marketplace. 4. Locate the specific listing you want to mark as pending and click on Mark As on that listing. 5. Choose the option Mark As Pending from the drop-down menu that appears to update the status of your listing to indicate that the item. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively mark your listing as pending on Facebook Marketplace, letting potential buyers know that the item is currently in the process of being sold. Thank you for watching, and happy listing on Facebook Marketplace.